In this video, I will show you how to connect Claude to Roblox Studio to accelerate your game development workflow. This integration allows you to use advanced artificial intelligence to write scripts and debug code directly within your project. To begin this process, you first need to obtain an API key from the Anthropic console. Make sure you have a verified account and some credits ready to go. Next, open your Roblox Studio project and navigate to the plugin folder, or use a dedicated script runner that supports external HTTP requests. You must enable the Allow HTTP Requests setting in your Game Settings menu, or the connection will fail immediately. Once that is done, you can create a module script that handles the web request to the Claude endpoint. Be sure to format your JSON headers correctly and include your API key securely. Now you can send prompts from your studio environment and receive high-quality Lua code back in seconds. Enjoy your new AI-powered development assistant.